to one and all? Fine. So in yesterday's class, in the last class and all, we were discussing about excretion in human being, right? Okay. So we also started to study about formation of urine in the nephron, right? You people got to know that there are millions of nephron in each kidney. Each nephron will produce a small amount of urine, which will sum up to form a huge amount of urine that is in the kidney, right? Later from the kidney through the ureter, it will be passed into the urinary bladder, and from the urinary bladder, it will be expelled out through urethra. So this was all we got to know, right? So we were discussing about the structure of nephron. Can anyone tell which are the 3 steps that are necessary for the formation of urine? Any one of you can raise your hand. Which are the 3 steps? Ashrita? I'm unable to hear you. Wait a minute. Okay, you can unmute it now. Okay.
Glomerular filtration,
Okay, the first step is glomerular filtration.
selective reabsorption,
Selective reabsorption. And what was the final step?
tubular secretion.
Tubular secretion.
Tubular secretion.
Okay, very good. It is tubular secretion. So there are 3 steps in the formation of urine. That is glomerular filtration. Next is selective reabsorption and tubular secretion. Right? So I will be sharing you the screen now, and we will go to the diagram. Okay, we will know the structure of nephron once again. Okay, is it visible for you now? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, as we got to know that from the afferent arteriole, that is from the renal artery, there will be arising a number of blood capillaries. That blood capillaries is nothing but the glomerulus. Okay. What happens when the blood flows with the huge pressure? What happens? It filters out. The components of the blood will filter out. Is that only non-essential particles will be filtering? Only essential substances will be filtering, or both essential and non-essential?
Both essential.
Both essential and non-essential components will be filtered, and it will be passed into proximal convoluted tubule. So that is nothing but the first step is glomerular filtration, where it is getting filtered. You got to know which are the essential components and which are the non-essential components. I won't be repeating it once again. So when it is passing through the proximal convoluted tubule, what will happen? What will happen? Drishya Monika, I think. Okay, can you tell what will happen? What happens when the blood is passed into proximal convoluted tubule?
It will reabsorb.
Okay, what will reabsorb?
Blood.
Whether the blood in the tubule will reabsorb or surrounding blood will reabsorb?
Essential blood.
Essential components from the blood that is running in the tubule is reabsorbed by the surrounding blood stream. Getting it? Okay, it is getting reabsorbed by the surrounding blood stream. In the next picture, I will be telling you. Later, what will happen? Selective reabsorption that. So it also passes into the Henle's Even here selective reabsorption will take place when it is passed into distal convoluted tubule. What will happen? Who can tell? Sanjana, can you tell? Any one of you, be fast. Dushyant? Dushyant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell what happens in the distal convoluted tubule?
Tubular secretion.
Tubular secretion will happen. Very good. So what will be added? What will be added?
Water and ion.
Water
Water and
and
ion.
water molecules and ions, essential ions will be added into the bloodstream that is flowing into the tubule. Even the same thing will happen in the collecting duct. All whatever the process is being happened, whatever the water molecule is there, ions are there, non-essential components are there, that is nothing but urine. It will be collected in the collecting duct. Even in the collecting duct, some more amount of the water molecules will be added, and this collecting duct will flow into the ureter. Okay, the urine formed from the collecting duct will be going into the ureter. Clear? Okay, see here. The second picture you can see beside that. For your exam set, you can draw either the first picture or the second picture. If you find second picture to be complicated, you can draw the first one. It is very simple, right? When compared to the second picture, first picture is very simple. Do you find simple to be not good? Simple is good only, right? You can do the first picture. Okay, just for your confirmation, I will be telling. In the second picture, you can see there is an afferent arteriole, which you can see a blood stream, red color one. So here it is getting filtered. In the Bowman's capsule, you can see the arrow marks there. It is being flowing. There are surrounding blood vessels, which has been written as afferent arteriole. Can you see? Okay, that surrounding blood vessels will absorb the essential components I told, which is surrounding the tubule, are absorbing the essential, non-essential components, which is required for the body. Can you see that red color? Okay, so when it is passing through, it will be absorbing all the essential components, leaving behind the non-essential components in the DCT, PCT and Henle's loop. Clear with this structure? Okay. If at all anyone is having doubt, you can ask me now, based on this. If not, I will proceed. Shall I? You can show your thumbs up. Okay, very good. Okay, see here, formation of urine. Ultrafiltration occurs. Ultrafiltration is nothing but glomerular filtration. I'm reading it out to make you understand. Ultrafiltration occurs in the glomerulus under high pressure, forcing many of the substances dissolved in the blood into the Bowman's capsule. Understood the first line? What do you mean by many of the substance here? What is many of the substance?
Essential and non-essential.
Essential and non-essential. Next, what happens? The blood then passes through the tubular part of the nephron. Tubular part, that is PCT, where useful substances such as glucose, amino acids, salts, and major amount of water are selectively reabsorbed. Where it is getting selectively reabsorbed? In the tubule or outside?
In the tubule.
Tubule.
Selectively reabsorbed, essential one. Don't get confused.
Outside.
Outside, the
surrounding
blood
tubule.
vessels that are surrounding the tubule are reabsorbing. Next, as the urine passes through the tubule, as it prolongs, next, the ions such as potassium, ammonium from the blood are actively secreted into the urine. That is called as tubular secretion. Where does this happen? In which tubule does this happen?
DCT.
DCT, very good. So the collecting duct collects the urine from DCT. Water is reabsorbed here under the influence of the hormone. There is a spelling mistake, it is hormone. Okay. The urine now contains, what all does the urine contains? Urea and ammonium salt and many other ions. Why do you get, you people might have seen the urine will be yellowish in color if you are not drinking enough water. Why is the color of the urine yellow? Because of the presence of the pigment called as urochrome. Which is the pigment? It is urochrome. Clear with this slide? Okay. See, you can see in this picture also what is happening. A blood stream is flowing down. In the first picture, glomerular filtration. Understanding how it is getting filtered, there are many substances in which some are going into the Bowman's capsule. This is Bowman's capsule and these are the blood capillaries. That is glomerulus. Next, reabsorption. You can see here reabsorption. In selective reabsorption, sodium, amino acid and glucose are reabsorbed from the filtrate back into the blood, that is surrounding the tubule. Fine? Okay. In the tubular secretion, see the arrow mark here. You can see the arrow mark? Okay. In that you can see from the blood again water molecules and ions will be added into the tubular part, that is into the DCT. Later it will be connected into the collecting tubule. Clear to all? Do you have any doubts? I'm asking you repeatedly. Do you have any doubts? If picture is not clear, I have already shared the PPT in the group. You can go through it, and if at all you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. If at all you are not able to see the picture right now, you go through it. If at all you are having any doubts based on the picture and all, you can ask me later on. Clear till here? Okay. So finally, what all you have learned now in the part of excretion, you got to know about the definition, structure of the excretory system, function of those, nephron, what actually is nephron. You got to know about the structure of nephron, how is the structure and how is urine formed, right? See, whenever there is a question that is being asking the structure of nephron or structure of excretory system, I saw few homework answers. You people have explained something and all. Structure refers to what are all the parts there, how it is being connected. Only that much you have to tell. If you are taking, if I am giving you the question like, explain the structure of excretory system, what all you will explain? What is present in the excretory system? 2 kidneys. There are 2 kidneys which are bean shaped, reddish brown in color. Finished, 1 point. Next, what you will tell? There is a presence of 2 tubules, which is nothing but ureter. What does it do? That will be the function. You should not write that in the structure. Okay, there is a presence of 2 ureters. Next, there is a bladder which is muscular. Okay, and finally there is an urethra which is the opening. That's it, is the structure. When you are asked to write the function, you have to write what all are the functions that each part is performing. Clear with all these things? Now, you can unmute it and you can answer to my few questions. Why should we drink plenty of water?
To hydrate our body.
To hydrate our body. One answer I got it as to hydrate our body. Sharath is telling something.
And it will be easy to digest.
Okay, for the easy digestion he is telling. Why should we drink plenty of water? What is the topic we are studying? Topic I am asking. I am not asking the chapter name. What is the topic? Why should we drink
Excretion.
plenty of water?
To have a better urine.
To have a better urine, to expel out the toxic
Urine.
materials from the body. Right? Right or wrong? Even for hydration, even to extract lot many of the unwanted substances that are present in our body, we have to drink plenty of water. What happens if we are not drinking plenty of water?
Kidney stone.
Kidney stone.
Be a bit
Kidney
louder.
stone. Maybe formation of kidney stone.
There will be a formation of kidney stone. Very good. So this is the prominent answer. We know there will be a formation of kidney stone. Why is the kidney stone being formed? What actually is the
Because of
reason?
lack of-
For not drinking.
lack of water.
Because of
Yeah,
lack of water.
I don't know what happens when why does the kidney stone being formed? What actually is the kidney stone?
Because of dehydration.
Okay, because of dehydration. Do you know what is the chemical substance that is present in the kidney stone?
Toxic of urine.
What is the kidney stone? Stone is there, right? It is a stone, right? What is the composition of that stone? Maximum
Toxic substances of urine.
Okay, toxic substance. I am asking which element is being present in that? Calcium, you have heard?
Calcium.
You have heard calcium,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
That is nothing
Yes,
but a
ma'am.
calcium carbonate. Okay, along with some other elements. But the major composition will be what? Calcium. Fine. So, what we have to do to be healthy, to eliminate the waste? What we have to
Drink a
do?
lot of water.
We have to drink
Drink
plenty of water.
Drink
Okay,
more water.
imagine you have
Drink
not
water.
drunk
Plenty of
plenty of
water.
water. You are not drinking plenty of water. Plenty doesn't mean that 10 to 15 liters you have to drink, right? Minimum of
liters.
3 to 5 liters at
liters.
least you have to drink.
4 to 5 liters.
Okay, minimum of 3 to 5 liters you have to drink daily. Minimum, I am telling. Okay, it is not like 10 to 15 liters I'm talking about. It's just 3 to 5 liters you have to drink. If at all you are not drinking, okay, what may happen? Kidney stone will happen. What else may happen? What will be the worsen case of kidney stone? If kidney stones are formed in kidney, imagine. In kidney stones are
Kidney
already
failure.
being formed. Can it remove the
Kidney
urine from the
failure.
body?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
there will be a very minute passage to excrete the waste because stones will be accumulated. So what will happen when you are unable to excrete the waste?
Kidney failure.
Kidney
It
failure
increases
will happen. There will be a failure of the kidney, that is damage to the kidneys. Imagine one kidney is being failed. One kidney is already been failed. Okay. Again, the person will do the same mistake. Neglect his health. Maybe he won't be taking proper nutrients to the body. Maybe he won't be drinking enough water. What happens to the other kidney?
It will also fail.
It will also get damaged. Even diabetes is also a reason for kidney failure. Okay. Even diabetes, because glucose won't be converted into glycogen. Glucose should be converted into glycogen. If it is this and all points, it is not necessary. Just for your extra information, I am giving. Just listen to it. Okay. So if that is being not converted, huge accumulation of glucose will be there. How much ever the body needs, that much it will take. What happens to the other
Ma'am, I
two?
can't hear you.
Maybe a network issue there. Okay, so what we have to do to be healthy? The first thing is we have to drink plenty of water. Indirectly or directly, it is affecting the kidney. It is damage in the kidney. So if 2 kidneys are also failed, can a person live?
No, ma'am.
No.
The blood may not be purified.
Does he die at the instantly?
No.
There will be some time for him. right?
Ma'am, we can get a
Ma'am,
kidney
maybe 1
transplant.
month.
You can get a kidney transplant. Okay, what if the money is less? At least some treatment can be done.
Ma'am, artificial kidney.
Ma'am.
Very good
Ma'am,
question.
artificial.
So what if at all 2 kidneys are also being failed? What can be done?
Artificial kidney.
Dialysis
Artificial
can be
kidney.
done. That dialysis is known to be as hemodialysis.
Hemodialysis.
What do you mean by heme? Heme, what do you, hemodialysis I am talking. Hemoglobin. You have heard. Hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin?
Yes.
Is purifying the hemoglobin or blood sometime.
What is hemoglobin?
Ma'am, it is
Blood vessels.
Red
Iron.
pigment.
red cells.
In the
color
blood.
pigment.
Heme refers to iron content in the
It's
blood.
present in the red blood cells.
Okay, so it is nothing but blood we will consider. What is hemodialysis now?
Purifying the blood through the
Purifying
artificial
the
kidney.
blood in the artificial manner. Getting it? Purifying the blood in the artificial manner. So now we will study about artificial kidney. I am left out with 8 minutes time. If at all the session ends, bye bye for now. Okay, I will be showing you the slides now. Go through it. See here, artificial kidney. Okay, if a person is failed with 2 kidneys, what can be done? Hemodialysis can be done. That is nothing but artificially. Hemodialysis, it is a procedure to remove what? Non-essential components such as nitrogenous waste from the blood. How it can be done? Artificially. Okay, so what and all is needed to do that? There is a need of a dialyzer. It is a device which acts as an artificial kidney, which will act as kidney artificially. What is the device name? What is the kidney name? What is the device name? Dialyzer is being needed. So through hemodialysis, you can treat both temporary and permanent kidney failure. Even if the person is damaged with 1 kidney, even that person can go through it. And even if a person is damaged with 2 kidneys, even that person can go through it. So artificial kidney, it is a device. It is a device. Okay, to remove the nitrogenous waste product from blood through the procedure called dialysis. Hemodialysis is the procedure. Getting it? Hemodialysis is the procedure, the process that is involved, the complete process. Artificial kidney is a device. That is nothing but a dialyzer to remove the nitrogenous waste from the body. What does it contain? It contains number of tubes with semi-permeable lining. I will be showing you the picture so that you'll get to know. Clear with this slide? Okay, what is artificial kidney?
Ma'am, it
Bhaskar?
is blood.
Okay. What is hemodialysis? I'm unable to hear you. It's not audible. Ashrita? Your video is off, Ashrita. Sharath, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell. What is hemodialysis?
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, it
kidney
is a
made
process.
of,
I'm asking Sharath now.
ma'am, it's a process, ma'am. If a person took kidney also failed by that process, by artificial kidney, the man may.
What is hemodialysis? Why you have to do that?
Process.
It is a procedure. Why you have to do that?
Ma'am, because of artificial kidney, they will.
Why you have to do that? What you have to remove from the body?
I'm sorry, ma'am, not understood.
Non-essential components.
Non-essential components you have to remove from the body. So the procedure that is involved to remove the non-essential components from the body, that is
Ma'am, your voice
artificially,
is not clear.
not naturally occurring in the body. It should be done with the help of doctors. There should be some procedure carried out in the labs. So that is nothing but the hemodialysis. What is artificial kidney? Abhishek? Slide is there. You can't even read it out.
It is blur.
Okay.
It is
What is
not clear.
artificial kidney? It is a device or it is a procedure?
Device.
It is a device to remove the nitrogenous waste product from the blood through the process
Through?
called dialysis. Clear? So I think we will be continuing it tomorrow. I will just show you the picture now. See the picture, you go through the picture. This picture is little blur. You go through the picture in your mobile. Okay, tomorrow I will be explaining it to you. It is very simple. We may hardly need 5 minutes. Okay. Fine. Clear till here? Everything is clear?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
if at all you are having any doubts, you can text me personally. Okay. I think 3 more minutes is left. If you at all you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Everything clear till here? So tomorrow we will be completing this excretion and we will be moving to transportation. Okay, only that part is left out in the chapter, I believe. Transportation. Right? Nutrition, respiration, already ma'am had done before. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care,
Bye,
study
ma'am.
well. If you
Thank
have,
you, ma'am.
if you have
Okay, ma'am.
textbooks, see
Bye,
once.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.